Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial with me Navid Husseini, and this is HyperPix. I'm back with a beautiful text effect. As you can see, it's a very popular text effect which has been totally favored by a lot of our users. I'm going to show you how you can use this and apply this to your texts without any a lot of like insane graphic work. All you gotta do is right click on the yellow layer and choose edit content. There we go. Okay. In the window, all you gotta do is double click on the our window and write whatever we want. My text is best casino. We got two layers here. What are these? If you're using Mac, choose Command T, or if you were using Windows, choose Control T. We got a like the oval shape here. We can transform it so we can get the like wave inside the text. You can see that, right? You can move this around and you get that clean, sharp line. And you can get your own favorite look. As you can see, our wave is a little bit better. Same goes with the second text. I want to play around with it actually a little bit here. I think we're done here. Everything is good. I'm going to close it and choose yes. Let's wait for the result to happen. Boom! As you can see, our style has been applied to our text and it's superb. Result is superb. Let me show you how the other layers work. All we gotta do is go to effects and turn off the extrusion folder. This helps you to boost up your speed in editing and get the more speed here. We'll get back to it, don't worry about that. Let me start from the top. First one is the adjustment layer. There's a coloring a little bit. As you can see here, it's very important. You can select each one of them. And okay, vignette is the inner shadow all around our design. As you can see here, you can modify the opacity. You can also deactivate it. The next text is editable from here. I'll rate whatever you want here. My text is a little bit bigger, as you can see. Our text is been clipped to our layer. As you can see, I want to resize it a little bit. I'm going to put it on 114. Here we go. I think it's gonna be a little bit smaller, like 100. There it is. Okay, I think it's good here. We got a little bit of a wave inside this text. As you can see, it's not that good looking here. Choose text and right click and choose warp text and choose the bend and put it a little bit up. As you can see, I'm going to choose 22 here. I think it's good now. Perfect. So if you want to have this text in a little bit more curve, all you gotta do, I just totally told you that. Okay, next one is this little bit small text here. You can edit it. Next one is the ribbon layer. You can turn it off. It's not very good. I recommend you don't touch this one. If you want to remove this, like, remove them at the same time. It's not very recommended to you. Okay, next one is sparkles. This style really needs this one. Okay, what are these? These are small sparkles on top of our text. You can move this around and put it wherever you want. These sparkles gives you a shiny look and gives you a very clean and sharp look. You can put it, I'm gonna put this at speed mode. Okay, I'm done with sparkles. You can take your time at home. You can choose the extra sparkles and delete them, just like that. Let's get to the next folder, which is highlight folder. There is a little bit of highlight on the top of our style, as you can see here. It's not very important actually. Well, next one is FX, which contains the main design of our text. I recommend you just don't touch it, except for the extrusion that is turned off. Okay, next one is there's a triangle behind our text, as you can see here. We got border, and also we got the shape. We got also the coins here. And next one is the coins. As you can see, these coins that are being thrown out of our style, and they've been categorized by their place. Next one, there is raise folder, as you can see behind our design, which gives an exciting look. You can modify the opacity of this style. I think we're done with the explaining. Just keep this in mind that this style works in every other languages. Don't worry about that. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's go to this one. There it is. We got another one with a Japanese look, which has been totally applied to this design. As you can see here. Don't worry about that. You can get this in any language you want. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the extrusion finally from here so that the design kicks in. There it is. It pops out and it gives a 3D amazing look. I hope you enjoyed this template. If you want to download this, all you gotta do is go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and get this and hundreds of other text effects for your next projects. Well, thanks for watching. This is Hyperpix.